everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys. And today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the, I guess it's just wireless charger. We're going to be taking a look at a wireless charger from HBorna. Am I saying that right? HBorna? Maybe? Brana? I don't know. Today we're going to be taking a look at a wireless charger. There's not too much on the box. There are red, gold, and black flavors of this. I got the black one. Kind of wanted the gold, but then I decided it didn't fit in with everything else. It supports 5, 7.5, and 10 watt wireless charging, and it's compatible with all Qi enabled phones. And then under here it says that non-Qi enabled phones will need a receiver, but it's covered up by the sticker. So let's open the box. There's not too much in here. You get a charger, and then underneath the plastic you get a something. Is this a sticker? Not sure what that is. You get a little baggie with a micro USB cable in it, and then you get a user guide telling you all about it. HBorna. Sorry if I'm butchering that, but I'm not good with words. So I'm gonna stick everything back in its place. Now we'll take a look at the charger itself. It's got this nice reflective top to it. It's aluminum all the way around. It's got these 4 rubber feet. And then on the bottom it tells you everything it just told you on the box. This little dot right here is the indicator light, so it's very sleep friendly. And then on this side you have your micro USB port to supply power to it. So I'm going to grab my cable over here, and I'm going to plug it in. And we'll see if the light turns on. It stays on red until you put something on it. I'm going to set that down, and I'm going to grab my phone, and I'm going to put my phone on it. It immediately starts charging. Because this is 10 watt wireless charging, this is fast wireless charging, so whatever device you may have that takes advantage of that, this will be able to supply that power. It also works through cases, so let me put it into my case over here, and I'll put it down. It starts charging through the case. And if you have an older phone with a wireless charging receiver case, or even a new one like I do, you put it down, it starts charging through the case, charging the phone. So pretty much Qi everything will work with this charger. I do like this one because it's made of aluminum and it's got the reflective top, and the light isn't super disruptive when I'm trying to sleep. Less light is better as far as sleep goes. As I mentioned before, there's 3 colors, and on Amazon they're priced almost exactly the same. They vary by maybe 50 cents, and they're all like $19, $20. A little bit more expensive than most of the cheaper end wireless chargers, but it's not super expensive. I'll have the links to the black, gold, and red ones in the description below. Like I said, the range is like 50 cents. 51 cents from least to most expensive. So I definitely recommend this if you're someone that's trying to get into wireless charging and you don't want all the flashy lights, and if you want something that looks nice and doesn't stand out all that much. Guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, as well as turning on notifications with the bell icon. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you later. Goodbye.